Uncle, good morning.
You have books? You have books? Do you have books? Do they have books, writing books? They have? Somebody gave them? Okay. Notebook and pencil, color pencil?
Notebook pencil and the
How many notebooks they have?
one.
One. So we'll give you another 2-3 books today. Okay, and color pencils. Okay? Yes? You write ABCD, you write 1, 2, 3, you write drawing, color them, and show to your teacher. Okay? Will you do that? Oh, can you sing a song? Can we sing a song? Stand up.
I have decided to follow this girl.
I'll teach you. We will teach you. Okay. Papaya pie. Papaya pie. Papaya pie. Papaya pie. Papaya pie. Okay. We'll sing songs. Okay. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. You come this side, all of you. Come this side. Come this side. Hey. Papaya pie. Papaya pie. Thank you, Jesus. Clap your hands.
Kasi ito, miya tan do hibay ko ni na tiro tan na. Hindi hen miya tan ko me ka tu.
คือว่าอันนี้ว่าอย่างนั้นน่ะ
Da shi mi
อ้ำหนูหัวสูง
Head,
da shi mi ko ko wa da sa.
knees, and toes.
Ken mi da
Head,
na.
shoulder,
Ti
knees,
a tu ni so na na. Tu the ji na.
head and
Ni
shoulder,
ka ki ko wa da ni.
toes, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulder, knees and toes. All belongs to Jesus. Come, please. We have to go. Little go back. This no is there. 1, 2, 3. Go back. We want to do head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulder, knees and toes. All belongs to Jesus. Toes and knees and shoulder, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head. Toes and knees and shoulder, head. All belongs to Jesus. Fast, okay, fast. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes. All belongs to Jesus. Toes and knees and shoulder, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head. Toes and knees and shoulder, head. All belongs to Jesus. Wow.
เนี่ยนักพี่ดูโจ้ลงนี่เด็ก
We'll do one more time. One more time. Yes.
บอกกี่ตอนเด็ก
One more time.
ยังไงตัว
Yes. 1, 2, 3, start. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes. All belongs to Jesus. Toes and knees and shoulder, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head. Toes and knees and shoulder, head. All belongs to Jesus. You like it? You like it? Yes? So if we ask, do you like it? You have to show like this. Oh, yes. Okay? Do you like it? A little louder. Little louder. Oh, yes. Very good. Okay, I will teach you one more song. God is good. Pakai apai for you. Somebody translate English to Telugu. God is Pakai apai. God is good. And that good God has good plans.
ปะไก่อภาจุลิหัวดิงาน่าถึงพายกุนติเว
God only do not have good plans for you, big plans also. His word says like that. His promise is like that. We'll sing that song, okay? Say, God has a good plan for me. God has a good plan for me. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. A very good plan for me.
very good plans for me.
God has a
God has a
big plan
big plan
for me.
for me.
God has a
God has a
big plan for me.
for me.
Big, big, big,
Big,
big,
big.
a very big plan for me.
Very big plan for me.
He says so. He says so.
He says so.
Jeremiah 29. What is this number? What is this number? What is this number? Wow, very good. Come on, let's sing. God has a good plan for me. 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 Good, good, good. Good, good, good. A very good plan for me. God has a big 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 plan for me. Big, big, big. Big, big, big. A very big plan for me. He says so. He says so. He says so. Jeremiah 29:11. Jeremiah 29:11. How is this? Yes. Very good. Come on, we'll sing. God is good. God has a good plan for me. 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 Good, good, good. Good, good, good. A very good plan for me. God has a big 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 plan for me. Big, big, big. Big, big, big. A very big plan for me. He says so. He says so. Jeremiah 29:11. Bye.
Just a bit. I'll video. Okay. Thank you, Iro. Thank you, Iro. Please tell thank you.
Pakai palu. Thank you, Kak. Thank you. Ini udah lihat apa dia?
Hah?
Ah, saya dia.
How did it?
Pasay!
Datang untuk
Ano?
Let all of them sit, huh? It will be better to click photos.
50 members.
एक घर से 50 आदमी के देखो यहाँ खाई खत्म पूरा पाको 49 फैमिली की
Papa.
Thank you, kita. Thank you, kita. Soalnya kita alay. Ha?
Baby, where is your book? Papa, take your book. Only for big children I will give. Only for big children. Okay, use this.
அண்ணா ஒரு 50 இது எடுத்து வைக்க சொல்லுங்களா?
50.
50 பேக் 50 பேக் எடுத்து வைக்க சொல்லுங்க.
50 blankets.
எடுத்து வைக்க சொல்லுங்க.
Cake கொடுக்குறீங்களா? Cake.
வேண்டாம், அதான் வேற கேம்ல கொடுப்பாங்க.
सामान तो इधर रखा सकते हैं बोल के
अरे 50 पैक्स.
they can bring here ना you can tell them to bring here
Okay.
सामान निकाल रहा है सामान निकाल रहा है चार 50 वाला निकाले अभी
For big children, help them. For big children, help them. Hey, Papa.
your camera is very clear your camera is very clear for sure is blur
At Nagum Relief Camp, we have provided almost 30 sets of books, pencils, crayons, mentors for these wonderful children of God. Dear church, what a joy it is to share your love and compassion, your generosity through your support and to share them, express them the love of Christ. Thank you so much for your kind support and kind help. So see this, continuously pray for these children, continuously pray for their families, and continuously uphold these relief camps in your prayers so that we can bring change and transformation in Manipur and see a bright future shining and a new dawn of hope shining in this land of Manipur. Thank you once again. God bless you all.
thank you sir
Now we'll give big
பாதிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறார்கள். நாங்கள் செய்கிறது சிறிய உதவியாக இருந்தாலும் பரலோக தகப்பன் இறங்கி வந்து நம்முடைய பிள்ளைகளுக்காக நீ பெரிய உதவிகளை செய்தபடி ஜெபிக்கிற ஆண்டவரே, நம்முடைய பிள்ளைகளுடைய விசுவாசங்கள் பலப்படட்டும், அவர்கள் வளரட்டும். ஆண்டவரே, எப்படியாகிலும் ஆண்டவரை உண்மை உறுதியாய் பற்றிக் கொண்டு உம்முடைய சமூகத்திலிருந்து நன்மைகளை பெற்றுக்கொண்டு மீண்டுமாய் சமாதானமாய் சந்தோஷமாய் வாழ்வதற்கான ஒரு வழிவாசலை கர்த்தர் திறந்தருளும்படி ஜெபிக்கிறேன். இதை கொடுத்து உதவிதான் குடும்பங்களை நினைக்கிறோம், ஆசீர்வதிக்கிறோம். ஆண்டவரே, இதற்காய் உதவி செய்த ஆண்டவரே, இதற்காய் பிரயாசப்பட்ட எல்லாரையும் நாங்கள் ஆசீர்வதிக்கிறோம். இங்க இருக்கிற எல்லாரையும் நாங்கள் வாழ்த்தி ஆசீர்வதிக்கிறோம். உடைய கிருபை நன்மை தொடர்ந்து வழி நடக்கட்டும். பெரிய காரியம் பிரச்சனையே சிந்திக்கா. ஆமென்.